But I don't think kuna kitu yoyote
nyingine. 11 p.m. we had a blackout which resumed at the power resumed at around 6:00 hours, and this is exactly what happened. The incident happened at that time. So maybe we suspect it might have been related to the blackout and the works that were being done. Nobody was injured. There are some items which have been stolen. We ask wananchi during such an incident do not take advantage of such an incident. We try to save life and property. But when you go and with other mind to steal people's property, we shall do investigations, and whoever will be caught with anything from this Pacific furniture will be arrested and action will be taken.
Turetera ushughuthi na malafu meko makumenya twate milioni cigana na ni milioni cigana ciola Modern Furniture Pacific Factory. How tikiuria ndingihota gucokia hota kumenya exactly which ni milioni cigana twate no ni twate gicunji kia milioni nyingi muno ciola factory no showroom turi okuo no twa o kawaida ithuĩ twakaga gĩtĩ kuma scratch kuma kĩambĩrĩria nginya mũico tondũ ithuĩ tũtiimportaga twakagira gũkũ so machine icio material storage ya kũrĩa tũigaga indo ucio ciothe nicio indo iria ciahĩa godown icio nicio ciahĩa.